Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of my journey. The first part, as you have seen in my previous videos, was at the Grand Tetons, but I've moved on from that and I'm on my way to Yellowstone National Park. But for this first part of this new series, I have stopped at Lower Mesa Falls. I'm in Idaho, and this is a fantastic waterfall. There's two portions of it. There's the lower, and then there's the upper. I'm at the lower, and it's not the main waterfall that I want to see, but it's really phenomenal. It is a huge waterfall. I'm going to be standing at an overlook and using my 18-200 to zoom in on the waterfall. Normally I'm not the type who really likes to be way up and shoot down at a waterfall, but I think this is photographically very appealing, so I'm going to attempt to create some photographs at this spot. And then after this, I'm going to then visit the upper Mesa Falls. So thank you so much for joining me again, and I look forward to sharing these new videos from Yellowstone and here at Mesa Falls. So let's go ahead and get started. Really beautiful up here on this overlook. There are a lot of people here. This is a popular place, and for those of you who vlog, you know how self-conscious you can be. But I'm going to plow through anyway. So I'm going to try to find some compositions here. One of the problems is that the waterfall is so far away. So what I'm going to do is zoom in and focus in on the waterfall. Now the waterfall is in the midday. The waterfall is directly in the sunlight, so I'm going to have to probably use an ND filter. So I brought one with me and I will see what I can do. So I'll show these photos to you as soon as I take them. So yeah, I'm going to be needing to put on a ND filter because even with the polarizer I can't slow the shutter speed down to the spot to where I want to get the effect of the water being somewhat feathery. Now what I did prior to putting on the ND filter is that I took a photograph as a test shot. It's a terrible shot, of course, because it's overexposed, but what I wanted to see was how in focus the scene is before I put on the ND filter, because can be difficult to see how to focus. And now one of the things that is a smart thing to do when you are using an ND filter, especially a 6 and above, is putting it on manual focus so that the camera won't be trying to search for that focus point. So I'm going to go ahead and take the photographs and I'll show them to you right now. Well, I've made it here to the upper Mesa Falls, and wow, it is simply beautiful. I haven't even gotten down to see the falls yet. This is simply amazing. I'm going to do the same thing down here. More than likely I'm going to have to still use that ND filter, but we'll see how things go, see what types of compositions that I can find down here. But wow, this is phenomenal. Well, I made it down the steps to the falls, and wow, talking about powerful. This is an amazing waterfall. Now, there's not any really great angle, so all of the shots are going to be sort of from the side, and I'm not going to be vlogging every shot, but I will show you the photos because there's a lot of people here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to just sort of think about and come up with these compositions, and I'll show you on the screen. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day here at Mesa Falls. Oh, this has been special. I love waterfalls, and to see a brand new waterfall and one as powerful as this, as well as the lower Mesa Falls, was really special. I didn't do a lot of vlogging concerning at least here at the upper Mesa Falls. I did a little bit more at the lower falls because there really weren't that as many people, but this is very crowded, so I didn't do any vlogging. And really, to be honest, I think the scenery speaks for itself. It really doesn't need a whole lot of commentary. So I hope you enjoyed the photos and the video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to please subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification icon. Give me a like and leave a comment. I really enjoy the comment, and I thank you for all of your support. So until the next video, which will probably be at the Yellowstone National Park, have a great day, and bye.